Hello, I'm Dr. Frank Incrapera, dentist in Houston, Texas. Snoring, sleep apnea. Many people suffer from sleep apnea and they don't even know it. They get up in the morning and begin their day only to fight daytime sleepiness, fatigue, and frustration. If this sounds like you, then you may be suffering from obstructive sleep apnea. This is what happens during a sleep apneic episode. As airflow slows or stops, the oxygen level in your blood and your body drops. Your brain responds by briefly disturbing your sleep enough to help you kickstart your breathing again. Sometimes you may even choke or gasp for air. Most people with obstructive sleep apnea never remember these awakenings, while those with central sleep apnea may be conscious of them. These constant episodes through the night keep you from getting the restorative sleep you need and could lead to further health risks if it's left unchecked. If you feel you might have sleep apnea, the first thing you must do is get a sleep study by a certified sleep doctor. If you need help in taking the first step in restorative night sleep, call our office today. You will be glad you did. Again, I'm Dr. Frank Incrapera, dentist in Houston, Texas, and my phone number is 281-493-0061. Thank you.